Assuming you know what Instagram is, did you know that the platform has over 600 million monthly active users, and 57% of those users access the site daily? A lot of marketers and business owners out there think Instagram is just for posting pictures of food, cats, selfies, or scenery. The reality is that Instagram trumps Twitter for engagement, and is a heck of a lot easier to use to create unique content. You see, because visual content is processed nearly 60,000 times faster by the brain than text, that means more than 40% of your audience will respond better to images versus text. It's super easy to post a picture or two a day and pop a link or relevant content as the caption for those who want to learn more. That's why I'm giving you free access to my short but action-packed e-course on Instagram marketing and driving traffic with the platform. You'll receive a video series, a PDF report, and even a checklist so that you can track your progress.